have wires hanging out, especially on your TV. So this is something we always buy for clients, and it's a wall cup that you install so all the wires can hide instead of coming down the wall. Do not love budget-friendly lamps. So normally when you buy a lamp, it comes assembled, right? This one was very inexpensive and it needed to be for our budget, so whole lamp has to be assembled. Tell me about your favorite part of design install.
Ironing 5,000 panels of draperies.
Something's wrong. Oh, I didn't put the bulbs in right.